Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 30. This is Section 2.1, Problem 30. It says convert the improper fraction 77 over 10 to a mixed number. So a mixed number, I want a number with a fraction. And just to get a quick estimate, I know 70 over 10 would reduce to 7. So it's got to be 7 in some fraction. So the way you want to do it is take the denominator and divide it into the numerator. So I will have 10 divides into 77 how many times? So first I try 10 divides into 7. 7's not big enough, it won't fit. So I'm going to look at 10 divides into 77. So as close as I can fit is 7 times, 7 tens. So 7 times 10 would be 70. And now when I subtract 77 minus 70, I get an answer of 7. So my remainder of 7 becomes my new numerator, and the denominator is going to stay the same. So it was 10 as an improper fraction. It stays 10 as a mixed number. So my answer is 7 and 7 tenths. That's the same as 77 over 10.